we're at a big rig. See the big rig up there. We're pushing in some salt water for them into these upright tanks. It's called production, very salty. When we take it back to the disposal, they push it back down about 2.5 miles back into the earth where it came from. This is where they mix everything up, and they're drilling, they're putting the casing down. Big rig, that's rig 409. We do a lot with 409 and 411, boss rig. Like right now we're pushing off. Sight glass is frozen from hauling fresh water last night when it was -10. It froze in the sight glass, so we just got to watch the tube now to see how much we have left. But invert is on in those tanks right there. It's like a muddy mixture of, and they use the invert to while they're drilling to keep the drill bit cool and lubricated, I think, or keep it from heating up. Salt water is the production water I hauled, and I don't see what else they have there, but they mix it all up over here, cement or whatever they got to do. I'm not real familiar with what they do, but I bring them the water they need to make it all happen. So what we're doing is we're pushing in from the trailer to that black line right there, the black hose, and it's going into that multiple port. So we opened up one on this side and we opened up one on the right side that lets it go into one of the tanks at the base. I'll show you. And then the pumper guys, they come over and tell you where they want it a lot of times, almost all the time. But you can see here, that hose is coming in here. Coming here, I opened that valve. It's gonna come out here. So I opened this one, and then this hose goes under the snow here, but it comes around and it's going into the base of that tank right there, tank number 3. So we opened that valve also. So when I'm done, I'm gonna let it blow through. I'm gonna let all the air blow through all this, and I'm gonna shut it off at the source, which is the truck, and it keeps a vacuum. It keeps it all cleaned out until I come over and shut the other valve, so no water leaks back in, because they don't like it. They don't like any spills or anything. So, but that's how this works. They'll be here for a while. Sometimes these guys are here for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, 2 months. Depends on how many wells they're drilling. So, yeah, kind of chilly today. It's probably, I don't know, not too bad. -5 maybe, and not much wind. Supposed to get a little snow this afternoon, I think, but not bad. Some more of the country out here. Pretty well, there's wells everywhere up here in North Dakota, so pretty much everywhere you look, you're gonna see wells. They're doing stuff over here too, putting new stuff in. Go up on the hill, you can see the crane. There's a crane over there. They're putting in new tanks and stuff. Oil. I worked on that pad the other day. They're putting in fresh stuff over there too. So, but you know, like I said, this is my office, so not bad. No patients, you know, yelling, no phones ringing, no call lights going off. I love it. Everything's working good on the truck. What you want to do when it's this cold is, like I explained, to push off on the truck, you want the handle back. When you pull on, it goes forward. So if you put it here in the middle, it's like neutral, so it won't suck or push. So in the mornings, if it's -5, 10, whatever, you start your pump up and you leave it in neutral for 5 or 10 minutes and let the pump itself warm up, and prevents a lot of issues too, because when it's cold, it can suck a pocket in, or just messes up, and then it blows out your hydraulic tank and stuff, leaks everywhere. Just preventive measures to do. I'll have to figure out how to thaw my sight glass out. That fresh water, when it's -10, freezes very quickly. waiting for it to finish out now. So they're very busy here. A lot of real world stuff going on all the time. You have to be very aware of your surroundings here, because there's always a potential to get hurt while you're here. Forklifts and loaders and trucks going in and out, and people doing stuff, climbing. It's a great place to work though. Very rewarding.